Mike from Talk.Crypto. Today we're talking about Beefy Finance. So what is Beefy Finance? Well, it's a yield optimizer on Binance Smart Chain. And ultimately, what I see Beefy setting itself apart with is there are different pools that they have to sort of build up the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. So what's an example of this? What am I talking about? If we go to the app here, we can see as of March 31st, 2021, they have almost 500 million locked up. Actually, the first vault that I have is under the watch token. So if you watched our yield watch video where you can monitor all of your yield farming, we talked about the watch token. And so this is a little known secret that you can actually stake your watch tokens here and get APY, and that will increase the amount of yield farming that you can monitor, because the more watch you hold, the more that you can monitor. Right now with this $17, I can monitor about $1,700 worth of yield farming across the Binance Smart Chain. As you can see, they have collaborations with other projects that they think bring value to the ecosystem. If we just go to all here, we can see some other ones that are new, like this space. I haven't looked into these projects. Always make sure that you do your research before you enter any of these pools with crazy APIs, and make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. Going back to the documentation. So this is a yield optimizer inspired by Yearn.Finance, which is sort of touted as the Bitcoin of DeFi, at least on the Ethereum blockchain. And remember, this is on Binance Smart Chain, so we have to note the differences. And Beefy Finance notes that very clearly. On Ethereum, where gas fees are high, we have to focus on the gas savings and limit the number of interactions. But being on the Binance Smart Chain, we don't have to worry about this as much. You can see with this optimization, they're really trying to provide value to the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem and try to push projects that they think really add value. For example, Yield Watch and some of these other projects. So another thing that really stands out to me is the governance token Beefy. Their governance token, you actually gain fees across the entire platform by holding and staking this Beefy token. So here, all of the vault fees are used to purchase Beefy and then paid out to the people that are staking the Beefy token. Basically, by supporting this platform, you're going to get paid out with further Beefy tokens. I think this is a great platform. For that reason, they're connecting with the projects that they think are important for the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, and they are rewarding people for staking this Beefy token, which they claim here is non-inflationary. Let's actually go to the governance tab and see if there's anything that has been voted on. And they talk about their governance here. Voting requires you to hold Beefy. Voting power is based directly on the amount of Beefy each voter holds. And even if you stake it, you can still vote on any proposal. Another thing is that proposals can be created by anyone, regardless if they're a Beefy holder or not, which is pretty cool. Let's take a look at some of the proposals and see how active they are in the proposal category. So we can see 78 proposals here, which is quite a bit compared to Pancake Bunny, I believe only had 4. Now, I don't know their governance mechanism, but it's great to see such an active community. And you can see there's even small things like here, a link to redirect into token official website. I actually was just having a problem with this. If you're on this wiki here, there's no link to actually take you back to the app. So it says sometimes it's hard to find the right token mentioned on the vault pair. We should be able to get a trusty URL to exchange the token or visit the project site. So you can see here 81% of people voted link to exchange. We should be able to get a trusty URL to exchange the token. So this makes it more safe. You will get the right token address. You will have no problems getting the right token and putting it in the vault. Very cool. So it looks like we have an active proposal community. I give it a thumbs up. let's take a look at their goals, which mostly includes them, again, having vaults that will encourage people to buy the tokens that, again, they think are going to help the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Let's take a quick look at the tokenomics. 80,000 total tokens, 10% for the founding team. So this is great because 90% go to the community. Fantastic. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel as well, really helps us out, and click that notification bell to receive a notification the next platform that we upload to the channel. So with that said, guys, we will see you in the next one.